Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a domain to IONOS Hosting. Let's get into it. First, sign into your account. The first step is to log into the place where you keep your website files and your website name. You need to be inside your main dashboard to start the connection. Go to the IONOS website and type in your secret name and your password. Click on the Login button and wait for your main control screen to appear. This is the start of everything. You have to be inside your own private area so the computer knows which website name and which storage space you are trying to link for your project. Next, find the Domains section. You need to find the specific list that shows all the website names you own. Look for a large box or a link on your screen that says Domains and SSL. Click on that section to see the full list of names you have bought or moved to this company. This menu is where all your website names are kept. It ensures you are looking at the right list before you start making any changes to your work. Next, connect to your hosting space. Now you are going to tell your website name exactly which storage folder it should use for your files. Look for the name you want to use and click the button next to it that says Connect or Assign. Pick the hosting space or the hosting choice from the list of options that pops up on your screen. This is the most important part. By picking the hosting space, you are building a bridge between the name and the files. It's the key step to making your website show up when someone types your name. Lastly, save and wait for the link to finish talking to each other across the internet. Once you have completed the connection, including the payment process, click the blue button at the bottom that says Save or Finished. Wait for a moment while the screen shows you a message saying that the connection is being made. It can take a short time for the whole internet to learn about your new link. Once it is done, your website will be open and ready. Remember that you have to keep finding the right output for your design to make it look perfect. And that's it. To connect a domain in the latest version of IONOS, you must first sign into your account to access your private tools. Once inside, you find the Domains section to see the specific name you want to use. Then you pick your hosting space to tell that name exactly where your website files are stored. Finally, you save your changes and wait for the system to finish the link. This process acts like a bridge that guides people from your website name directly to your digital storage. This straightforward plan makes sure your website projects are online and easy to build. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.